if they do hit us, that's not our fault, right? That's their fault. That's
I don't know. This is not.
This is public.
Right.
This is a public roadway.
This is not a good place to be.
I mean, where is a good place to be?
What's your goal?
My goal, where...
You, sir. I can call a supervisor down here. We can't let you leave now. Now you cannot leave until I get verification of who you are. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know.
Their job is to explain the policy and why. And if you want to talk to them, this is what these...
Absolutely. That's why we're here.
Can we just come to an agreement? Hey.
A simple act of recording a bank from a public sidewalk in West Orange quickly escalated into a constitutional crisis. An employee, feeling uncomfortable, immediately calls the police, demanding the citizen be removed. When 2 officers arrive, they claim the act is suspicious and illegally demand ID. Will this auditor stand his ground on the public sidewalk, or will these officers succeed in turning an act of free speech into an unlawful arrest?
That's another vendor. So all that is gonna be like 10 cars right now.
Oh yeah.
It's a van after van after van. Wow.
Heard what? Is that what that is? There's the gate, the security guard.
You.
We're filming you.
I knew he was gonna stop.
Here we go, dude.
Oh, that's what they are.
The bank employee's action of locking the door and calling the police based on personal discomfort is a futile attempt to impose an illegal restriction on the First Amendment. Recording from a public sidewalk is an absolute right. The employee's subjective feeling of suspicion is legally irrelevant. This demonstrates a gross misunderstanding of public versus private domain.
This is what they do to your new cars, guys. Brand new Kias. I believe they're Kias. Yeah, it's Kia. You hear that? No oil, huh? Those are brand new cars? Man, they sound bad.
Yeah.
You need to get, you don't have vest on or nothing. We have an operation here.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's good. So you're driving vehicles with no plates on the streets of California? Do you have permits for that? I mean, Washington?
You're blocking the road.
Yeah, you're blocking
You're
it.
blocking the road. Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here.
Shush.
Hey, chubby buddy.
Get the hell out of here.
Get that shit out of your mouth. Hurry up. Then come talk to me.
These guys want to go. Look what you're doing. Yeah, get out of here.
These are my work.
Get the hell out of here.
Fuck them too. You represent them, so like, don't mess it up.
Officer Rodriguez's repeated demand for ID, justified only by the activity being suspicious and causing alarm, is a textbook Fourth Amendment violation. Suspicion is not a crime, nor is it sufficient to establish reasonable articulable suspicion, RAS, for a lawful detention. The auditor correctly refused, knowing that feelings do not override the constitutional protection against unwarranted seizure.
What's that?
You got time to talk to me?
Talk about what?
I just want to let you know, it's pretty unsafe here. As you can see, we got auto discharging.
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, I'm Officer Russ Drake here at the Port Tacoma. We just want everything to go smoothly. We don't want you hurt. We don't want them hurt either.
So if it's unsafe for me, it's unsafe for him too, because he's in the same. We're actually further back than he is, right?
All right. Well, the odds are, I've seen vehicles come
Okay.
around the bend. This is my experience.
Right.
He's coming around the bend. More than likely, you're going to get clipped. They're not going to go straight into that gentleman. That's my experience. If you think I'm wrong, that's one thing.
Well, I'm just saying.
I'm just trying to help you out.
If they do hit us, that's not our fault, right? That's their fault. That's
I don't know. This is not.
This is public.
Right.
This is
right,
a public
This is not a
roadway.
good place to be.
I mean, where is a good place to be?
What's your goal?
My goal, we're a private press. We're hired.
Okay,
we're
that's
hired
fine.
to do a job.
And I believe in the press. But
Okay.
what is your goal to do today?
We
And
are
maybe I can
hired
help
to
you.
do this. We are paid to do this.
By who?
I can't say our employer.
Okay. All right. Well, I hope you're getting a lot of money, because if you get hurt, I hope they cover your bills.
Okay. Well.
All right.
Yep.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
What's your name and badge number?
Right there.
What does that mean? I don't know what that means.
You see the badge number?
No, I can't see it.
30.
30. Okay.
30.
What about your
I'm
name?
sorry. I identified myself already as Officer Russ Drake.
Okay.
All right. I'm
Cool.
sure you got it on video. I'm
What does PTP mean?
Port of Tacoma.
Okay.
So anything the port owns, we're responsible for.
Okay.
All right.
Well, you are dismissed to go back to your public
Well, you
duties.
can't dismiss me. That's
Well,
kind of
work,
rude.
You work for me, right?
All right. I work for the Port of Tacoma.
No, you work for the public,
I work for the Port of Tacoma.
right? But you are a public servant.
I work for the Port of Tacoma.
Are you a public servant?
I work for the Port of Tacoma.
So you're not a public servant.
I work for the Port of Tacoma.
That's-
Can you not understand that? That's
that
who I
doesn't-
work for.
Any police officer
I'm
is,
not a police officer.
What are you?
I'm Port of Tacoma Port employee.
Oh, okay. Well.
All
Okay.
right. So, yeah. So, although I'm armed, I'm not a port. I'm short of any information falls under your medical history. Are there any concerns that if you were to be hurt, we need to know about?
I have a lung dig, so
Okay. Well,
I'm not sure if that's a medical condition.
I'm
They
not a
told me it is.
doctor.
I
I'm
mean,
just
they
saying,
checked me when I
if
was
you
a
were to
kid,
be like,
the doctor was clear.
yeah, well, I'm sorry that I take this serious. I just don't want you hurt. You can understand that, and I'm just trying
Okay.
to,
If I have a question for you, how come these cars sound like they're out of oil?
because they're brand new, and more than likely, they're brand new tires on the ground. Is my guess.
It sounds really.
It sounds like I don't know there.
It sounds like you haven't heard it yet, but it sounds. Some of these cars sound pretty bad.
Okay.
And these are supposed to be brand new cars.
These are brand new, coming off
Wow.
the ship.
These ones sound okay because these are the more luxury vans. But when you see the cheaper SUVs, they don't sound too good. So
What's up?
we're concerned about the vehicles that are being produced.
Do you have any medical condition just in case we all get hit right now? Like you
Do
standing
I?
there?
No. But thank you for that.
Okay, no worries.
You know,
I had to ask.
It seems like you're shaking like a leaf.
I don't like being close to people.
Oh,
That's
I can
me.
step back.
No,
Oh,
I chose it.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay.
You chose that job, huh? Where you're supposed to be in contact with people.
Well,
That's,
you know,
what kind of,
I like to help people.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
why I took this job. You know, like that.
Yes, that
Okay,
one.
That's the rubber on the, or I'm sorry, that's the plastic on the tires.
I don't know. There's no plastic on the tire. I can.
All those tires have plastic on them, so they don't get scuffed up in transit.
Okay. Well, I mean, if that's what it is, I don't see any plastic. I'm pretty good. I got
Okay.
20
Yeah,
vision.
that's all plastic on those.
On the side, on the vehicle, on the panel.
Not on the tire, but on the wheel.
Oh, the wheel well. The wheel well. Okay.
Not on the wheel well, but on the wheel itself.
Okay.
So they don't want them scratched up. Just like you spend money on good wheels, you want to protect it.
Are you saying the rim? Are you saying the rim?
They're not called rims anymore.
What are they called?
They're called wheels. When you
Okay.
get new wheels, you get new.
Oh, okay.
What you and I knew as
Sure.
rims.
Wheels, tires, hubcaps. You know, whatever.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
All right. You're good to go. You are good to go, buddy.
Of course, I am good to go. So are you, gentlemen. This is my partner.
No. Yeah, but I would say that I'm gonna go with that. You don't get it.
What's going on here?
Slow.
I thought this road is dangerous. Why are we all here?
You're creating a hazard, my man.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't want to be videotaped.
Well, suck it up, son.
Well, that's not up to you.
Yeah.
That's not up to you.
I understand.
Yeah.
I'm just letting you know that.
That's fine.
I'm already filming you. You're live when you.
So I'm taking it you tried to be a cop and you didn't make it, and now you're just a lonely security guard and trying to make up false.
us.
All right.
Thanks for your
Yeah,
concern.
I think we got to get him.
I thought, you know, guys, I thought we had an okay.
Well, we did,
interaction.
but this
We did,
guy,
not
this
this
guy,
guy.
you know, I don't. He's threatening us, saying we're on public property. That
Mm-hmm.
sign dictates that. You know, that's, you know. Look, all we're doing is filming, and we told you what we're here for.
Right.
But now we're
But your
being.
partner interacted with me about a street sign. I wanted to educate him, but you refused to listen to me.
No,
You
because
just
they know
talked
what I
over me.
just
I'm
read.
sorry.
We're allowed
So
to be
I
here.
was- I understand.
We
that.
are allowed
That's
to
your
be here.
view. All right. I'm sorry. I hope you guys have a good
You
day.
see these train tracks?
Again,
They're not
I hope
owned.
I hope you have a good day. And those train tracks are owned by the Port of Tacoma. They're not owned by the city.
Yeah.
How about that bridge? That's the port bridge too. You're
That
saying?
is not the port. Right, because I didn't want to shout over a vehicle. I'm sorry I gave you some respect and moved in closer so you can hear me.
I forgive you.
Are you certified to carry those weapons?
I am.
Can you show me identification?
I am certified.
I need to see identification.
No, you do not.
I don't know
No,
if you.
you do not.
I don't know if you
No,
are.
you do not.
I need to see identification from you.
Good luck on that.
Okay, well then, I mean, we'll obtain it.
Okay. Freedom of Information
Yeah.
Act.
Damn, see?
You got it.
So
You got it.
Why are you acting
You got
up?
it, buddy.
What are you acting up about?
Yeah, well, at least your partner is acting up. I mean,
You know, I would like to really have a conversation with
We
you
are,
guys,
we
but
are.
I'd like you to stop
Behind you.
filming so we can have an honest exchange.
Okay, the only thing we're concerned about your safety. I want you to get it. Okay? If you go beyond this barricade, which you are right now, sir, you're on port property.
Where?
Because this is
Where's port property?
this yellow barricade right
Okay,
here.
you're saying this is port property.
Yes.
So now we're off.
Let me finish. Please don't interrupt me, okay? Don't interrupt what I'm saying.
I don't
So
take
can
orders
hear-
from you,
Why
buddy.
interrupt you?
I'm not telling you to
3
take
feet
orders.
from
I don't
that
take any
point,
orders
I
from
was
you.
on
Trying to
public
explain to
property.
you.
So finish it quickly.
Because we're out in public.
Exactly.
Even though I've explained to you that we don't want you to do that. I can't force
Exactly.
you not to do that.
Now you got it. Now you
I had
got it.
before, and that's what I explained to you in the beginning, but you didn't want to listen to. So you have your own rules. I have my rules. I'm explaining the law.
And at this point, you are free to go. You are dismissed.
You cannot tell me that.
I can dismiss you.
No, you cannot.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
You are free to go.
You need to check that regulation. You cannot be in this access route.
What are you talking about?
I
Where-
told you this yellow barrier.
I'm not in the yellow barrier. You got us blocked in here. You're telling us where we can't. You're telling us where we can't stand, but you got us blocked in here. You got
better
us.
guns than that piece.
You got to move this car, or we'll have it towed.
I'm going to ask you to voluntarily provide me some identification so I know who you are, so I can.
And I'm going to tell you to go screw yourself.
Okay.
He should have said that. I mean,
That's fine.
He should have asked that. I mean,
Since you are a public servant, I'm going to request identification
that ain't
from
gonna
you.
happen. Psych. He thought I was gonna get mine.
You're not going to get it?
No.
Okay.
Nope.
Psych.
That's fine.
That's right.
No, that's
It
fine.
was all wet about it, huh?
I understand
I'm not
that.
going to give you nothing.
You want to play your games? That's fine.
I'm not going to give you nothing, buddy. You need to move your car before we have it towed. You are blocking a public roadway. You are in breach of the law as we speak.
Yeah, go back to your
Call the police department. Please. Please, call the police
Why don't you
department.
call the police?
You're the one that's saying I'm violating the
You
law.
are. You're violating 11771 patrol car. A3950.
You don't interfere with the port operation.
Stay back or
Yeah.
I'll deem you as a
Hey,
danger. I'll
I'ma
deem you
ask
as a
not
danger.
To eat yellows, no. Don't run with sensors. Look both ways before you
have a good
cross.
day.
Tuck it in before you sip it. You know, don't beat your dog when you get home. Don't hit your wife. All right. I mean, all those directives.
Thank you for your
All right.
cooperation.
All right. Suck it easy.
You're free to go. We're done. We got to get back to our job, just like you.
Sure, I understand that.
Yeah, we gotta get
Let
back
me
to
just
our job.
say, I would like to have a conversation with you guys. You know, stop the filming. We'll just talk.
Nah.
If I'm wrong, you educate me.
These
If
cameras
you're-
never go off. Never go off.
Well,
You might shit me.
I'm not gonna.
You have a thing with people that you mentioned that you can be too close to people. You might think that I'm too close and you're gonna
All
shoot
right.
me and claim
Well,
that I was
I
reaching
wish
for
I
my
could have
gun.
learned some things from you guys.
Well, you've been pretty kind at some points, but you need to. Are you above him?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Well, you need to step in front of him and you need to teach him the law because he is making threats that he cannot make. He is making judgment calls that are untrue. So he can lose his job.
Mm-hmm.
You haven't gone as far as him. You've been pretty polite with us. I'll
I
say
like
that.
to think so. If I
You've
was,
been
if
pretty-
I was,
you've
if
been
I was
pretty-
wrong, point it out. to
You've been
me
pretty
and I
polite.
would
No,
adjust.
we're here to do a job. I already
I
explained
understand
that.
I understand that.
He's coming to intimidate us.
Mhm.
This guy doesn't do anything to me to intimidate me. You know, I've seen.
Okay.
You know, we're camera guys. We travel the U.S.
Sure.
We do this. So I mean, we've seen all types of patrol, security, police. You know, this is nothing. So, bottom line, we need to educate him. And you see him. I'd like you to go over there and talk to him right now as he's on the phone. I'd like you to go over there and have.
He's on the phone. I don't want to. I'm trying to give him
well,
respect. Just
well,
like I
we
tried
have
to
nothing
give
to
you
talk.
guys-
If you're not willing to fix your teammate, then we have nothing to talk about.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So he's following us. I've already
No,
explained.
he's not. He's not following you. He
is-
arrived on scene to what we were told was people harassing
No.
vehicles.
No.
I'm sorry if that information is wrong.
Holding the
but
camera
that's
is
what
not
we were told.
harassing.
Yeah, that was
All
wrong
right.
information.
Holding the camera is
I can
not
tell you
harassing.
From my own experience, I've got a lot of suspicious people.
Okay.
So when I hear suspicious, explain to me what's suspicious. Are they, running out in traffic? Are they just, barking at the moon? What are they doing?
We're not terrorists. I don't have
I hope you're not.
weapons of mass destruction.
Okay.
I have a camera.
Right. But
Okay.
my report was two suspicious people.
And now you see there's
Once I have,
another story.
And I think I have adjusted my response
Okay.
accordingly. I don't think you guys are a threat, but I really would like to have a conversation off camera with you guys so you can educate me
Well, we
or
did
I
this.
can get you. Well, you're on camera.
He demanded identification from us, and we don't have to provide him nothing. You're not actually law enforcement. You are a patrol security.
And as I identified myself.
And he doesn't have any right to ask us for identification because we're not on the property.
Well, the difference between a right and a request are two different things.
No, he tried.
didn't force you to provide
He reached in his
did he?
car. He says, "You're not going to do it. You're not going to do it."
Did he force you to surrender ID? No.
It was
He asked
intimidation.
you. He asked you for it. You chose not to give it. That's fine. That's within your rights. But he's also within his rights to ask for ID.
And are you saying he's within his rights to block a roadway?
Maybe he's protecting your safety when, as I said, when these vehicles come around the corner, he's preventing them from hitting you.
What do police do when they're protecting someone's safety on a roadway? They turn on their hazard lights. They put out cones. They put out flares. I see nothing. I just see a guy on the phone harassing us. He's actually harassing us.
No.
Yeah, yes.
No.
If he's even moving his hand, saying something that would probably never been on private property. So you're a witness to that.
So like I said, we'd like to get back to filming. If you could just leave us alone, and we'll be out of here as soon as possible. So at this point, you're obstructing what we're doing. You're obstructing our job.
Right.
So we just want to do our job and get out of here.
Okay.
Okay?
Go right ahead.
Cool.
Conclusion. Constitutional rights vindicated. The West Orange police ultimately backed down and did not press the issue, confirming that no crime was committed. Their failure to secure identification validates the auditor's steadfast refusal and exposes the bank employees' legal ignorance. Call to action. Citizens, never submit to an ID demand unless an officer can articulate a crime. The word suspicious is code for unconstitutional stop. Subscribe to the auditor's channel and make sure your local police know that the Constitution always governs the sidewalk. Watch as two Suffolk County police officers pounce on an attorney sitting in a private gas station parking lot. Their flimsy crime? Pouring out an empty seltzer can. These officers immediately try to violate the Fourth Amendment, demanding ID and falsely claiming they have the authority to detain anyone. They picked the wrong target, as this lawyer promises them a massive federal lawsuit. Their ignorance is about to cost the taxpayer millions.
Job. May I see your identification?
No, what
Sir, I
legal
don't know
grounds?
who you are. I don't know who you are.
Am I doing anything
I don't know if
illegally?
you're the owner of this vehicle.
Right now you're parked.
All right. I don't
Wait,
know.
can I ask you a question? How
Can
am I
I,
just
sir, I'm going to
explain?
ask you for the last time.
Explain to me
Sir,
how I'm
this
parked
is the fifth time
illegally.
I've asked you. Can I please see your identification? This is Officer Otto from the Suffolk County Police Department.
This is
May I
Gino
please
Giorgini, a
Thank
New York
you.
State criminal attorney
Thank you. May I
who's
please see your
sitting here doing this. Then why
May
are you
I please
asking me?
see
The officers claimed the lawyer was parked illegally and blocking the pump in a private parking lot. This is a gross lack of legal knowledge. Public traffic laws do not apply on private property unless mandated by a specific state statute, e.g., fire lane, or involving a major crime. This entire stop was an illegal detention from the moment they initiated it.
Because I don't
want to give you. Why do you want to look at my ID? I'm asking you a simple question. I'm
I'm
in
asking
a
you a
private
simple
parking
question.
lot,
It's not a private
minding
parking
my
lot.
own business. It's not a private
It's a
parking lot.
business.
It's a private parking lot. It's owned by a business, a private individual. But it's open to the public. If it was a public parking lot, it would be owned by the government.
This is a public parking lot. This is a public. Private would mean it's a business.
You have right, and you're telling me I'm parked illegally. How am I parked illegally?
You're parked illegally. You're blocking the path.
Blocking what? What path?
Sir,
In the corner. I just want to record
identification?
this.
Sir, I'm going to ask you for the last time. May I please see your identification, please?
I just want to ask you.
Sir, may I please see your identification?
I'm asking what legal grounds
Sir,
are you
may I
asking me
please
for
see your
them?
identification, please.
Right now, sir, you're parked illegally.
Okay, I just want
to identify you.
I don't know who you are. I don't know if you're the owner of this vehicle.
Exactly. You understand that?
I do not know if you own this vehicle. I do not know what your name is. You're not showing me any proof that
you're missing the point.
The officer threatened continued detention until ID was produced, citing the unknown substance, seltzer, as justification. Dumping a non-criminal substance is not a crime, nor is it reasonable articulable suspicion for a more serious offense. The officer illegally detained the lawyer solely to compel identification, directly violating his Fourth Amendment right to be free from unwarranted seizure.
Hey, do me a favor. Don't interrupt me when I'm speaking. Do not interrupt me when I'm speaking.
Sir,
do
me a favor. Sir,
on what grounds are you asking me?
May I please see your identification? Sir, may I please see your identification?
And if I say no,
sir,
what?
May I please see your identification?
And if I say no, what?
Well, then we'll have to wait here until you show me identification, because I can't have you leave. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you are the owner of this vehicle. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license. I don't even know if you are a legal citizen of this country. I don't know anything about you right now. So I would like to see some proof of identification.
You asked about legal citizens of the country?
No, I don't know who you are, though.
I'm just wondering. You asked if I'm a legal citizen of the country?
Sir, may I legal operator of this vehicle?
Yes. May I please see your identification? I did
not have to determine whether or not you can drive away here. We can let you go. If it's just a minor.
And also, sir, I did see you dump that liquid onto the floor.
It's called seltzer. Okay, here's your can of water.
Sir,
it's an empty seltzer can.
You did dump a liquid onto the floor.
Water.
Okay. Okay, so you did do it though.
Is there a law against that?
You did dump a substance out of a can out of your car, correct?
And
answer my question, sir. Did you or did you not?
So what does it matter?
Answer my question, sir.
What does it matter?
Sir, answer my question. Did you or did you not dump a substance out of the car while you were parked here?
What is here? Water, seltzer. What does it matter?
So you're saying you did.
And is there a problem with that?
I don't know what substance it is.
Go down and test it. Go lick it.
I don't have
care.
a test for it right
Bend
now.
down, lick it. I don't care.
I can't test it. That's why I'm asking for some identification so you can verify who you are, where you're going right now, and then I can have you go on your way.
Well, let me ask you. Why would I have to tell you where I'm going?
Because it's my job to know who you are.
Why,
I don't care where you're going.
Why is it your job to know who I am?
I did not ask you where you were going. I never asked you.
Don't bother to rewind. He did ask him.
No, I did not. Do not put words into my mouth, okay? I know this is your job, all right? I understand this is your job, but now let me do my job and just see some identification, like a New York State driver's license, because I don't know who you are. Like I said, I have never had any interaction with you before. I have never seen you before, okay? So I'm doing my job, patrolling the area that I work, correct?
Wait, come on.
Okay, so I'd like to see some identification.
Are you telling me that people in the state of New York had me stopped and asked for ID for no reason?
Okay, well,
no, I did not say that. I said I would like to see some identification from you, sir. I can call a supervisor down here. We can't let you leave now. Now you cannot leave until I get verification of who you are. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license. Oh, your inspection is past due. Well, now I can't have you drive the vehicle because your inspection is past due. So now you're going to get a summons for that.
Damn it. He meant to go get that inspection sticker yesterday. It's still an unlawful stop, and he does not have to ID himself.
But I don't know who you are yet, so I don't know who to write the summons to. So can you produce some identification for me?
That expired, I didn't know.
Oh, boy. That expired? Did you get that on tape? Did you get that? Can you film that for me?
I'll get it on tape. It's expired. Big deal.
Okay.
I just want to know why you're stopping people in the gas station.
I just
want to know why I sit in gas stations and read my paper every morning, but I just haven't been wine dance about to pick up a client, and all of a sudden I've got this massive interrogation.
You can wait here for your summons.
You're gonna get a summons.
Yeah, I'm gonna supervise it.
Do I know who to write the summons to?
Some parked car ready to the parking lot.
There was someone in the vehicle, so I can't write it to a parked car to no one. There is an actual operator of the vehicle.
No, you got the plate.
Right,
you can write it to the owner of the car.
No, I cannot do that.
I get some. Just so we get this straight, I get summonses. People get summonses on parked cars in parking lots all the time.
I don't know. But there's no one in the vehicle. When there's someone in the vehicle, the actual operator who's sitting in the vehicle gets the summons. Not when the car's parked unattended and alone. Yes, you're correct.
It was
That
car in
is called a
operation
parking.
right now?
I didn't say it was an operation. I said you didn't see me in the operator's
Okay,
seat.
so but it's not. The car wasn't in operation, right? Car wasn't running. This, that.
I did not. We're not talking about that, okay? And then I say that. Do not put words into my mouth, okay?
I'll have fun showing this video in front of Judge Hudson's car this morning.
And you make sure you show that your inspection is up.
So what? Big deal. Write a ticket.
Okay.
You like get off on this or something?
No, you ready?
You like get off on like just dragging this process out?
No, because
you realize you could have just identified yourself in the
That's
beginning
all.
and be like, okay,
You
this
probably
is your
wouldn't have gotten
vehicle.
the ticket for
What are you doing, sir?
I want to ask you why someone.
client over here and be like, all right, sir.
But what is it? Why would? Let me. I just want to know something. I want to know
You
something.
dumped the substance out of your car.
You're sitting weird. You were dumping something out of your car.
I don't even know what that
I'm
substance
sitting
is.
weird.
Yeah, you're
The vehicle's parked weird.
Yeah.
This is not weird. Everything else is straight into a lie.
Is this tint legal, by the way? I think we have a tintometer in the car. Is this tint legal?
Factory should be. Rear window.
Just want to make sure.
Okay. You know? And you could have been on your way, but is this what you get off on?
No,
obviously you do. This is like a little game that you like playing.
Wait, what's the game? Wait, time out. A game? Wait, time out. You're supposed to do your job when you're doing something.
I mean, this is your game.
Why is it my game? I'm reading the newspaper, minding my business. Really? It's a game? You violating people's rights?
Violating rights. You're parking illegally.
I'm not parked illegally.
Okay.
Write the ticket. Write the ticket.
Okay, but I don't know how to write to it, so I need to see some identification.
Write a ticket on
I need to see your
everything.
identification.
Write
so
ticket on anything.
Arrested. Believe me. For just so
what?
you know, for an inspection ticket, in lieu of arrest. The tickets are issued in lieu of arrest.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, let me see. There we go.
I don't know why that was so hard.
Because it's illegal to come up and ask for ID for no reason.
When someone's dumping a substance out of
Nah,
yes, that is my
that's
reason.
it.
That is my reason. You're dumping
Park
an
it.
unknown substance out of, you're parked in a car, okay? You open the door and you dumped an unknown substance out of a can, okay? And then you threw the can on the floor.
Don't worry.
So
This is getting forwarded to the Fed monitors. That's all.
Okay.
It's all good.
Okay. Listen.
It's all good.
Right here. 5426.
I got it.
Okay?
I got it.
Make sure the Fed monitors get it.
Oh, I know. They'll be happy with that. You know.
Your rights violated.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
How did we violate your rights?
Don't worry. You'll find out.
Okay.
Oh, you called me a pussy? Did you just call me a pussy? Did you just mouth that on the
Excuse
video?
me?
Did you just mouth something to me?
No, I did not.
You sure?
You have a problem?
You just mouthed something to me.
You really like to push people's buttons, do you?
You just mouthed
really
something to
like to push
me.
people's buttons. He does. All right. Well, just sit tight. I'll issue you a summons and you can be on your way. Have a nice day.
Verdict: illegal stop, federal lawsuit pending. The officers' actions were a clear violation of the Fourth Amendment. Their justifications were legally bankrupt, and their threat to continue detention was a demonstration of tyranny. The lawyer complied only to make his court appearance, but the officer's fate is sealed. Call to action. Whether you're a lawyer or a citizen, you do not have to ID without probable cause. Record every interaction, lawyer up, and make every ignorant officer who violates their oath pay the highest price, their badge and their pension. Welcome to Cape Coral City Hall, where a public servant just issued an unconstitutional command. As citizens walked to a public meeting, a staff member demanded the camera be shut off, citing policy. This is a direct assault on the First Amendment. They quickly learned that a city policy is nothing more than paper when challenged by the supremacy of a U.S. Constitution. Watch as the auditor forces the police to back down from an illegal order.
I go through here. How you doing? Is there a meeting today? 9 o'clock meeting? 9 o'clock meeting? 9 a.m. What, so here?
Yeah, you guys all good?
Yeah. Cool. It's already started, right?
It just started. I think it was 9:30.
Oh, okay, cool.
So just empty your pockets, you put your camera and all that stuff here, then you will walk through.
This too?
Yeah, just in case. Yeah, go ahead.
Appreciate that.
Do you have public meeting today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I won't go.
You will go out? Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that, man.
Thank you.
1 second. I'll just. Oh, you can go on up. Yeah.
Like through the stairs?
Steps, or you can go up the elevator.
All right. Appreciate it, man.
There's no building from here to the council chambers.
What was that?
You gotta turn that off.
The staff member illegally ordered the camera to be turned off in the public hallway leading to the council chambers. This is a textbook prior restraint. The auditor correctly challenged her. Policy doesn't trump law. Screw your policy. Navigating a public forum to attend a meeting is a protected activity, and any local policy restricting it is unconstitutional and void.
Here to the council chambers. You can turn it back on in the council chambers.
Nah, this is a public building, ma'am. Sorry. What's your name and badge number?
Secured area.
And I don't care. I'm going up there to record here everything, my whole visit here, and I have a right to. So I'm not going there with you.
Let's go. Okay, upstairs.
What's your name and badge number?
Causer 0542.
Let's go through the elevator. Why are you following us? I don't care. For what? It doesn't matter. Do you? No. This is not how this works. How come? Go follow her. Why don't you follow her? Why is she starting with us? Because we have cameras, man. Come on, man. We're just going to the meeting, man.
And I'm taking you up there.
Jesus. This is why.
Recording me?
Oh my God, ma'am, you started this. You should have let us go. Yes, you did. I don't care. I don't care. I'm going to the meeting. What law is that? What law that I can't record here? What law is it?
I'm telling you what the policy is.
I don't care about the policies. My rights. First Amendment. Eat it. You swore an oath to it. You swore an oath to it. Eat it.
Sir.
Eat it. I don't care about the ordinance. Incite me. Cite me and arrest me.
Get excited. Let's go.
Cite me and arrest me. Let's go. Let's go, Sarah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. These people are tyrants. You are a tyrant.
Mira, many complain.
Say
nothing
it.
happened. Nothing happened. Many complain. I ask if you have meeting public now and I'll follow you because I'm the same way in the city hall.
Mira,
the big manager
mira, record.
is terrible.
Mira, record it. Graba todo.
Go ahead.
Mira la policía.
I have 3
Come
or
on.
4 months. The big problem here, meeting. Send email. They don't answer the email. The Rachel Cadu is awful.
Wow.
Richard Miller is
Don't tell me what to do.
Richard Miller, the golden phone.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Do you have authority over me? No, you're not. No. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. She's freaking screaming at us, following us because we have cameras. I'm going to the meeting. What's your name? Okay, then.
Listen,
It's crazy. No.
While we're inside there, you can leave.
She's the one that's starting everything.
Come on.
Forget your policy. Screw your policy. The First Amendment, ma'am.
Keep walking.
Screw your policy.
Do you want to go in there or not? Keep walking.
Of course I do.
Okay, let's go. Be quiet.
You're correct. It is policy.
Policy doesn't trump law. Policy doesn't trump law. Screw your policy.
Right now.
Graba todo, señora. Mira cómo me tratan. ¿Viste? I understand. I know. Tyrant. Learn the law. She said, this is what happened. When we walked through the thing, one of your officers, you know, where you walk through the metal detector, when we walked through, we were walking to go up the stairs and she comes behind us and goes, you got to shut that off to walk upstairs. I'm like,
okay.
This one, I'm not shutting this off.
No. So let me.
That's where it all started.
So let me kind of explain just a little bit. This is what we were told as officers.
Okay.
So there is, you can film up like in this area because this is a public meeting.
Yeah, I understand that.
So, but behind there is employees. There's impertinent information.
If it's open to the public and we're walking through to get to this meeting, we can record it. We can record
I am telling you what.
So the ordinance changed a little bit recently, so they deemed this a limited access.
Yeah, I understand the ordinance. I get that.
Access, there's no recording.
I understand, but we're walking up here. Yeah, but that ordinance doesn't trump my rights, bro. It doesn't trump the Constitution, man. I'm just walking up to the meeting. I'm not trying to record anywhere else.
Limited access. She is.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Once this stops, the ordinance reads that the camera footage in limited has to stop.
I got it. But if we're walking up here on the way to the meeting, We're not doing. She wanted me to shut it off.
Even just so
I'm
you
not doing
kinda
that.
know where, like, all down, like, where human resources is.
Yeah, I'm aware. I've been here before.
So human resources
I'm
and all
aware.
that, that's still a hallway.
Yeah.
But because people's information and there's employees back there, you're not allowed to record there either. There's certain.
The onus is on them to create the privacy. If I can see it from public. I know, man.
But when you guys are hooting and hollering and screaming.
But she kind of like escalated too,
I
bro.
but-
You know.
and then
We didn't come here for that, bro.
I understand what your guys' job is. Your job is to provoke us.
No, it doesn't.
My job isn't to provoke you at all.
No, it doesn't. No, it does not. No, it does not. That's wrong that you said that, bro. I know that, but that's wrong. But you're wrong. We're not here to.
Our job is to provoke you. Our job is to
All
audit our
we care
government.
about is
Yeah.
that you guys are calm in here, and that's all I care
Absolutely.
about. And you guys did. So
Okay, listen, you just said that our job is to provoke. No, it's not. Our job is to video and work on stories on our government to see how professional. You're misinformed, sir. You're misinformed.
Will you do me a favor? Just go back and get educated on it.
Yeah, bro. You guys swore an oath to the Constitution. We're exercising our rights. That's it. That's not promoting. That's not promoting, bro.
you guys all living people?
No, I'm not going to answer that.
Okay.
What does it matter?
Because I'm trying to get you to know you as a human being.
Yeah, no.
Not as a camera.
Do you live in Cape Coral?
Yes, I did.
Okay, cool.
You did or you didn't? Not anymore? Well, I do.
Yeah. So he thinks we're just provokers. That's kind of like, that's cool that he said that. That's very nice of him. That's it.
As long as you guys are cool with us.
Bro, absolutely. We love to highlight the good cops, bro. That's what we're looking for. But when you guys start to try to infringe on our rights to record, that's a problem, bro. Then there's a problem.
So here, how about this?
We just like to hold our government accountable and show transparency. That's it.
If you have a problem with
That's it. What was your name? Patterson?
You can talk to them. My job is to tell you policy and enforce the policy. Their job is to explain the policy and why. And if you want to talk to them, this is what these
Absolutely. That's why we're here.
Can we just come to an agreement? Hey, my job, I am doing my job by, hey, this is what the policy says, and I am doing my job.
Yeah, but sometimes your policies like that, like to come up here to record on the way up here. Policy, man, that doesn't trump the Constitution, man. You guys swore an oath to the Constitution, not the policy. You guys didn't swear an oath to the policy, man.
So if you want to talk it up with the lawyers and all that, that's what this is for.
Absolutely, that's why we're here.
We just like to make sure everybody knows there was an amendment to that ordinance.
Yeah.
Policy, guess who does a good job?
Absolutely.
I don't ever know you, but I was just wondering if they amended it to make this limited access.
I understand that. I get it. We don't come up here in a normal day. We're not trying to pass through a restricted area. But when there's a meeting up here, I'm going to document my whole visit. I swear. But like you said, it's an ordinance. It's an ordinance. It doesn't trump my rights to record in a public building. On the way to a meeting, come on, I'm not trying to go to no restricted areas, but I have to walk through it so I can get to the meeting, so I can get...
You guys know that there were some amendments recently to that, but it's changed.
I'm pretty much, I know all about the amendments, trust me. I know everything about Cape Coral, man.
Have you guys looked at the changes to that?
I'm aware of it.
3-25?
2025, recently?
3-25 is the city ordinance that amended all of what this is. And changed it from restricted to limited during these special...
Yeah, I'm aware, of course I'm aware of that.
What is able to be recorded and what is not.
Absolutely, absolutely. But that...
Right here and record with her standing next to us.
Police is different, so we're not...
No,
we're
I'm
exempt from
asking,
that.
excuse me. We are allowed to walk through here from entrance to the
meeting
room with this woman by our side. We're allowed to record with her, with us, but without her, we can't record?
So no, what I'm saying is the way the ordinance reads, if there's any city employees out here, you have to have their permission to record their face or their voice.
Nah, bro, I would challenge that in the court all day. I'll challenge.
The police officer incorrectly asserted that citizens must have an employee's permission to record their face or their voice. This is gross misinformation. Public servants have no expectation of privacy when performing official duties in a public space. The officer's claim attempts to manufacture a legal fiction to suppress the First Amendment, proving a serious failure in police training.
Okay, but that ordinance is...
Do they have to have a police escort?
She
On a
can...
normal daily basis, this is posted to the public.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
I can film whoever, whatever, As you just said, I need their permission, but if I'm standing next to a police officer, I can film?
No, you can film us, like if we're in the course and scope of our duties in a public area. This is not a
Absolutely.
public area.
Okay, but I have to walk through here to get to the meeting.
They're allowing the public to come here during these special.
Then I have the right to record, bro. That's how the law works.
Where the meeting is being.
No, it's not, bro. I'm recording right now, and I'm walking down. I'm not gonna turn off my camera. I'm gonna walk downstairs right now, and I'm not gonna shut off my camera. You guys want to take it? Yeah, I did. The ordinance. I don't care about the ordinance. I care about my rights and the Constitution.
Because of the area that
Okay, well, dude. Yeah.
but that's why I said I want to make sure everybody's aware.
All right, so I'm gonna go walk downstairs. You know, I'm gonna leave already, pretty much, and then.
When the meeting's end, this goes back to being restricted access, and you have to be back into the public access area.
Yeah, I know. I'm aware of that.
But we don't have problems with people recording and expressing their rights, to
Yeah.
these meetings. And,
But sometimes, like that ordinance, we're just trying to come up here. That's it.
well, like I said, typically we don't enforce it unless the city asks us to do it. Like if you were being disruptive to public functions, and the employees weren't able to do their jobs because of whatever's transferred.
We're not here to do that, man. We're not here to do that.
I'm just saying.
We're just here to hold the camera, and that's it. And document everything. That's it.
So we came through just fine, and then she got hormonal.
What was that? Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
We
it's
can't
just-
go
it's
that
like
way.
City business and all that stuff.
Yeah, I'm
Just
aware.
because-
I'm aware.
Oh, I'm sure you guys.
I know. We were just trying to walk upstairs, and she tell us to turn off the camera to go. That's dumb.
Well,
That's
yeah,
dumb.
Because past there, it's considered limited and restricted.
But that's only regular business hours, like every day. Like not now. The meeting is upstairs. I have a right to walk up and redocument my visit. That's all. I'm not trying to record like anywhere else. I was just walking to the meeting. That's all. I appreciate your professionalism. All right.
Conclusion: a victory for the Constitution and the public forum. The auditor successfully documented his visit and exposed two key failures: staff ignorance of policy limits and police reliance on illegal permission rules. The city of Cape Coral is sitting on a massive liability because its policies are unconstitutional. Call to action. Citizens, file a complaint with the city manager against the uneducated staff and police officers involved. Demand mandatory constitutional literacy training and subscribe to ensure every policy that violates your rights is crushed.